In this video, you'll learn how to embed Instagram posts in WordPress. For this functionality, go to the Instagram post that you want to embed, and we need to copy the embed code. So this is how you find the embed code. Simply copy the embed code from here. And now let's move back to the WordPress admin dashboard, hover over Posts, and click on All Posts. Edit the post you want to embed the Instagram video in. Now we're simply going to scroll down, and let's search for a custom HTML block. Paste the code in this block over here. You can insert this custom HTML block anywhere in the post that you like. Once done, simply click on Update. And let's now preview the changes. On scrolling a little, you can see the video has been embedded over here. And this is how easy it is to embed Instagram posts in WordPress. Before leaving, you can also learn how to change page titles in WordPress when using Elementor. I'll link the video in the description below, or you can click on the eye icon in the top right corner of your screen to view the video. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.